Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm making something really exciting, a party dip. It's a cheese and jalapeno dip that you can make at a party or when you have people over. So let's not waste time. Let's just start. So now for this, a little bit of cooking is involved. I have in my hand cheddar cheese, which is grated. Cheddar cheese, which is going in the pan. Basically, we are going to melt the cheese with some milk. So added a little bit of milk that allows the cheese to melt. Add some fresh cream, just a little bit. And reduce the heat to a minimum and mix that well. Once the cheese has melted, I'm going to add in jalapenos straight up, as this is a cheese and jalapeno dip. And to that, I'm going to add some chili flakes as well. Switch off the heat, turn this around once. And my dip, jalapeno cheese dip, is ready. Which you can eat with breadsticks and at parties with chips. It serves as a dip. Nachos is a great option. So thank you so much for watching, guys. It's a very easy recipe and I know definitely that you will try this at home. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if there is a recipe that you want to know or you want to learn, don't forget to mention in the comment. I will see you in another episode. So see you soon. Till then, you take care. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a pizza toast out of leftovers. We use bread, we use packaged pizza sauce, we have leftover seasoning, some cheese and just a little bit of herb for your hangover basically. So let's get started. Put some oil in the pan. Toss our garlic. Lightly brown the garlic. And then we'll add our pizza sauce. Slightly toss it with the garlic and then you just switch off the heat. Leave this here. Now let's get to the bread. So what we'll do is we'll cut off the sides. You could use these for breadcrumbs later on. Evenly spread this out. It's a nice, easy and delicious recipe for those times when you're lazy and you don't really want to cook. So before goes the cheese slice, goes the seasoning. And a little bit of white pepper. Use cheese slices because it's easier for this to melt in the oven. If you usually like grate cheese and do it, it'll take longer, but if you use this, it'll be quicker. So I'm going to put the oven to about 150. I'm going to put it for 10, but I will take it out as soon as the cheese melts. So the cheese has melted, so I'm going to take this out now and let's cut into a pizza toast. Yes, look at all that cheese. So I'm just going to chop some fresh parsley to put this on top. Nothing is complete without a little bit of olive oil. The pizza toast is served. Perfect food. When you're lazy and you want to eat a pizza, you don't want to order food, this is what you should be making. So guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.